Let's see. Whoa, okay. Yes. We got the DJI Mic Mini. Should be pretty good. Let's open this up. What's inside the box? You got all your stuff here. Let's go see. Got that. We don't need that. This thing is small. Got the wind mics, 2 colors. Then we got the Mic Mini. So it comes with the magnet as well as a clip. We can put it on this way. Should just clip in. Are these different sizes? No. There you go. We can turn it on. Does it have any battery? I'm sure that's to link. Let's try to do it with the InstaPro. No more battery? Oh, that's why. There's no battery right now. So let's get a battery in there. Let's go. We are connected. Should go blue. So now it should be able to pick up. You see the meter going on. So that should be pretty nice. So let's do a quick vlog test. And what did that color change? Camera capture. Hey everyone, I'm doing a quick test on the DJI Mic Mini. So right now, I just out of the box just went to the settings, Bluetooth, searched it, pressed the button here to connect, and we're good to go. I see the levels are going off, so I just want to see the quality, the sound, and everything like that. And should be a game changer. I have other microphones right now, but look how small this thing is. Look at it. Look how small this thing is, dude. Now let's try to do it on my phone. Is this a good match? DJI mini mics and the action cams. Let me know what your thoughts are. Is this a great match? These mini mics, the DJI mini mic and the Ace Pro 2, or even the GoPro. Let's do that again. Let's hook it up to the Let's Go vlog. Should pick up, right? I'm gonna hook it up to the, there it is, the DJI mic. Picked up. We're good to go. Should be. I don't have a SD card in here, but there we go. Okay. Even on the GoPros, you can see mic check. It is picking up. I'll do a test later on there, but I know it's picking up. So yeah, this is pretty cool. If you are buying or if you're using your S25 Ultra or Samsung, or it could be any Android phone, I don't know, with a Pro mode. I am using the DJI with it. I initially recorded this straight out, so I looked it up. You have to go to Pro Video and then choose the wireless mic. Today I'm using the DJI mic as a audio source, so it should be picking up. We'll see what happens post edit, but tell me what you guys think about the audio. You like it? Good purchase, bad purchase? I don't know. This one's about 1,800, something like that. So, but for the size, it's super small. It really lives up to his name as in mini. So take care and hope you like the video.